Hello friends, this is Isan from Autocraft Vadodara. Today we have installed FE retrofit projector fog lamp in Mahindra Thar 2021. This is low beam and this is high beam. Only projector is on, headlight on, high beam, headlight off. See the clarity, only projector is on. With 300 feet light range,